The Custos of St. James has condemned the brutal killing of a woman at the Montego Bay New Testament Church of God. Cora Thompson was shot on the outside while a fasting and prayer session was underway.
The act was barbaric, egregious, and deeply troubling. It speaks, brothers and sisters, to the erosion of respect for life and for the sanity of the space traditionally regarded as a place of refuge.
Bishop Conrad Pickens said the killing was a reflection of what's happening in society and gave encouraging words to the church and family of the victim.
So out of all this, you can learn. Out of all this, two things can happen. Either you be a better family, better persons, or worse. But I exhort you to be better persons. To the church, it's going to draw you closer to the Lord. And if you've never prayed before, I'm sure that this period you are going to be brave. And the result is going to be that we are all coming out of this stronger in the Lord Jesus Christ.